Step 1. Analyze your file before you export. Step 2. Go to File, Export and Export As. Step 3. Select the path you want to export to. Check Use Artboard. Step 4. Now on the JPEG options, your resolution should be above 150 pixels per inch. I have chosen 300 pixels per inch here. Step 5. Open CorelDRAW and create a new file with the desired measurement. Step 6. Import your exported JPG in CorelDRAW using the Import Options file menu. Step 7. Press the letter P to place the artwork in the center of the page. Step 8. Select 100% to see if there is any issue with the artwork. Step 9. Press Ctrl+S to save the document. Step 10. Before sending the file to print it, verify the page size. Check the resolution of the imported artwork. You can see your file path at the top. Now your file is ready to be sent to printer.